and
You
we'll
sound
make
you
sure.
sound crystal clear. This is Bruce. We don't
Yeah,
need to see
I
your
can hear you.
lovely face. We can hear your voice, however you want to do it. It's
Yeah,
Bruce show. I don't want to take over Bruce show. Go ahead, Bruce.
hey, you can take it over. I'm okay with that.
So we can hear you crystal clear. You got the photographic image up. You good?
Okay, what you're saying is you're saying, okay, I did the AWS CCP fundamentals.
Hmm.
The next step you're saying is to either go the SysOps or
I would go
SAA
architecture. I would go
architecture.
architect, like you said, because for your background, we always in architecture. And now, when I do vendor risk assessment, vulnerability scans, you gotta know what architecture you scan. And so I think that gives you more fun. Is it EC2? Is it a S3? Is it private link? So I think understanding architecture, then the cloud engineering gets drilling down to each one of those a little more deeper. Then I would do the security specialty. So talking about
Okay.
securing all those.
All right, yeah, man, that's great. I'm super excited about it. I'm learning so much. It's more in line with hands-on type stuff that I miss doing. That you sometimes you don't get that with GRC.
Oh,
They are introducing us more to the tools. There's a lot more tools in GRC now. They're having like in the last few jobs. I don't know. Maybe it's because of my background. They have me doing all of this other stuff, like messing around with seams and all kinds of other, which I love to do. It's just I know in some GRC positions I've done, I didn't have much or of any hands-on type stuff. But now, like this is
I don't at
definitely a
all.
great mixture.
Yeah, I don't at all, and that's something I tell people I miss. I just do paperwork. I'll give me a poem, do some vulnerability scans, set up your findings, send them to the teams. I do more project management stuff really than I do tech
Yes.
stuff. That's like you say, you quarterbacking, and a lot of
Yeah,
times people want you to have
Right.
that separation of duties too. So,
that's
like you said,
exactly what I was telling Larry. Larry, man, listen, like you're trying to get in this IT space, man. A lot of what the GRC folks do is project management type stuff
mhm.
where we have to work with, tell me if I'm wrong, Professor Black Ops. It's a lot of project management where we're taught some of the skill sets that you guys do. Now, we do have to have a strong understanding of IT and cybersecurity stuff. But what'll happen is we're talking to upper level leadership, directors, C-level execs, and then we're talking to the guys that's in the weeds, and then we're talking to sometimes customers. So we have to be able to talk to each one of them and put everything together, and that's what a IT project management does. Correct me if I'm wrong, Larry. I think Larry
Yeah,
spoke.
so
Yeah.
I guess that's always been my question was where or how much of that technical proficiency is required